Why, hello everyone. Today we're going to be fixing an Alto with a blown tweeter. So let's get the old tweeter out and let's get the new one in. Now to get the old tweeter out, I'm thinking let's go in through the back and just get access to it straight through. Now I haven't looked at any diagrams or anything of how this guy is made, so we're kind of flying blind at the moment, but I think it will work out. I'm doing way too much. I need to find something to try. Alright, so that's all the screws out. Let's see if we can just pop this out. Alright, now that I got all the screws out, let me get this front device and try and get this out. Alright, and there we have it, the main board for Ts212. Smells a little burnt. Interesting. Okay. Well, I'm hoping my tweeter circuit isn't just dead. Let's just lay this up here. And we're going to be looking inside here for the tweeter. Alright, this is pretty interesting. So if you look in there, we have a heatsink on the tweeter itself. Now the one I got from Amazon does not have a heatsink attached, so we're going to take that one off and put it on here. Alright, fat one is red, skinny one is black, so I don't need to worry about not getting them on right. Alright. And that one is out. Alright, now just looking at these two side by side, and they look 100% identical. Even the part numbers match up perfectly. All we gotta do is take this heatsink off this guy and put it on this one. Alright, grab a new screwdriver, let's see if this works out a little bit better. Alright, fine. So it looks like they Loctited these things in, so we can simply put some super glue or some nail polish on it to re-Loctite it. Ooh, there's actual thermal compound on there. Do I have any of that around? I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go find some thermal compound. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go find some of that stuff. Because this heatsink is, it's doing what its name implies. It's sinking the heat from the tweeter itself into itself and dissipating it through the fins here. Yeah, I need to go find some of that. I just spent 10 minutes trying to find my stick of MX4. I don't know where I bought this. I think got it at like Micro Center or something. But we need to clean all this off and then reapply it on here, and possibly a little on the tweeter down here. I actually didn't have any isopropyl alcohol to clean this off. Usually I would use that, so I'm just going to use some contact cleaner. Should be about the same stuff. Not really about the same stuff, but it'll do the same job. Oh, it's actually working really well. Now that's pretty good enough. I'm going to call that there. What we need to do now is get the thermal compound on it. Now, as to how much to use on this, I have no idea. So I'm just going to put a couple dots here and there around the perimeter of the screw itself. About 4 dots, 4 big dots and 4 little dots. That should be good enough. No real rule book on any of this stuff, so we're kind of flying by the seat of our pants. Now to reinstall it, I want to push the actual screw through first so I can get that to grip on. And then it just goes down that hole right there. Trying to get it started by hand, I feel it gripping up. Alright, we should be good to go just to screw it back in and reinstall it. Alright, well I want to count that as good. The orientation of the actual heatsink I really don't think matters, just because it is a heatsink. Now just put the wires back on this guy, and they're 2 different sizes, so you can't really screw it up. And then even mark one of them red, if you can see that down in there. Yeah, you can see that it's marked red, so you can't really screw it up, even if you somehow manage to get the little connector on the big one. Alright, I guess the next step in this whole thing is to put the back cover on and see if this repair works. Or if we still have a blown high end, that means the circuit's actually damaged. And it's going to be a lot more difficult. Now we can go through and do a test to make sure everything's working as intended. Now I forgot to do a before test so I could show you guys how it sounded, but I'm going to do some computer magic to kind of simulate the sound. Cool. Well, there it is. It works. Tweeter's not blown. Tweeter definitely works just fine now. Alright, well, if you guys liked the video, definitely consider subscribing. Throw a like down if you have any questions about the install or anything that's going on with your Ts212 or anything like that. Definitely throw a comment down there, and I'll see you guys later.